Sure.
So I'm one of the now 100 members, and I have said to you, Anders, I want to know, what does this mean? What does improving efficiency mean? I don't know. I don't even know where to start. Uh,
Yeah. No, it's a question that is often asked. Everybody thinks we're working as hard as we can. There's no time in the day for anything other than work. How are you going to help us? How can you promise that we'll do better? And first of all, your shop floor is, in a sense, littered with money. All you have to do is go out and pick it up as a manufacturer.
hey, I'm encouraged already.
Yeah. So the money is out there, and the money is out there in the format of wasted time. I think we can say time is money. Everybody says that. It's true in many ways. Um, so how do you recover that time? That's the puzzle that many owners have, because they've never gone out and tried it. They've read the books. I 2 second lean is easy, all the rest of it. And they said, yeah, we did it, didn't work. Um, and what really happened was that the dynamics on the shop floor, or the leadership, employee dynamics didn't change. And you tried to use some nice shiny tool that you fell in love with. And tools don't do anything, people do.